It's DeSilt Man, an innovative and advanced solution from Maniar Group for effective and efficient cleaning of silt, mud from manhole and wet wells. DeSilt Man is hydraulic operated cum winch drive desilting grab bucket system. Available both on 3-wheelers and 4-wheelers. Are the ideal solution for cleaning of manholes and wet wells. The machine can easily and effectively collect the sludge from a depth of 30 to 50 feet with the help of a lever control without having the person to enter into the manholes and wet wells. DeSilt Man can lift 20 to 50 kg silt per cycle. Fully equipped machine is provided with telescope extendable boom with 180-degree area coverage for extended reach, rear hopper to avoid multiple handling of the sludge. As the sludge can be collected in the rear hopper of the vehicle and can be hydraulically emptied in big containers. It is economical and available at the optimum price.